and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got an interesting one. Cup noodles stir-fried rice with noodles. So it's got little bits of noodle in there. And this is a Thai yellow curry flavor. Sounds good to me. Let's get it on. Do its stuff. Do its thing. Right to there. Oh boy, it's gonna be close, folks. I have 25 minutes to do this and another one. So we gotta stir this a little bit. And four and a half minutes and not stand 2.5. All right. And away we go. God, what's going on today? I don't know. It's been wet and rainy and crappy outside, and it's just more of that. Nothing new in that department. Yeah. Kids have been doing pretty good. They, where'd my phone go? There it is. So, my daughter said she was bored, and then she took a pair of scissors and was like cutting up her pants. She's 7 years old. I mean, come on. But yeah, she kind of got in trouble. You don't do that. You don't cut up your pants. But yeah. Kids do things, you know. It's gonna be close. 24 minutes to go. I hope it's not much longer than that. And then I gotta do that, and then I gotta let it sit for 2.5 minutes. Fingers crossed that I make it. I've got 18 minutes to go. I'm lucky because my wife's done at 12:45 or a few minutes thereafter. She has a yappy patient on the phone. My wife works in the medical field. Anyways, the healthcare. But yeah, that can kind of work out in my favor as far as like timing and stuff. So I think we'll be good. What do I have to show you that's rad? I gotta have something around here. Ah, it's so much chili crisp. Wow. We'll see about that. But this cup noodle stir-fry rice stuff is usually really good. And I remember the last time I had this yellow curry, I was like, dude, that's freaking good. So we'll see. And I'm gonna add an egg to it because I've got 2 eggs, and those 2 eggs need to find homes today. So that's what's gonna happen. Really. How much time we got left? Okay, 1:45. Then it's gotta sit for 2 minutes. Crikey. We'll need eggs, I know that much. They're in the fridge. Chilling. Got bananas. You know, I did review an instant noodle product that was a dessert instant noodle, and they do exist, and they're not always great, but sometimes I had a banana flavored one that was really quite good. You steep the noodles in hot milk, and then it's got a seasoning sachet. I'm pretty sure it was the banana one that I did. Come on. Come on, thingy deal. Come on, thingy deal. I just want to hear it beep so I can start this sucker. It should be like any second now. Got 20 minutes. It's a race to beat the clock. 10, 9, I think. Wow. I don't know if I'm going to make it being able to do the third one. I might. But the third one I've got to do for like 6 minutes. That's a long time. It says it's 12. Oh, but that clock is kind of silly. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. All right. It's doing what it does. Yeah, I don't know. If I get all this done, I'll still have to do all the images, like the thumbnails and junk, and the images, the pretty pictures part of all that edit. But I don't know. If I get all done and do lunch with my wife and maybe do an unboxing video, because I do have the Common Noodles unboxing to do, I might just go right ahead and go out walking again. I don't know, though. We're supposed to gonna go for a walk later tonight, so that might work out better. But I got a lot of stuff to get done around here, so we'll see. Yeah. All right, down to a minute. Oh, you can't even see it. I'm gonna tell you right now, I really like this clock. I should also say, I heard from a reputable source, they saw some kind of thing about how they're going to get rid of Freevee. Freevee is like a thing you can get on your Fire TV. It's like free TV stuff, weird channels. They've got one that's just constantly playing Bob Barker era Price is Right. We love that. There's one for Supermarket Sweep. We've been watching Hoarders lately. Hoarders and Dr. Pimple Popper. Those two shows, man, they get a lot of airtime in our house. Okay. Let's get this water boiling again, because this is going to go fast. Whoa. All right. So how much time we got left? Perfect. So let's put our monitor right here. We will point this down at this and give you the quick look-see inside the cup. So here's how it looks, and we still have, what, 20 seconds to go. But you just stir it up when it's done. I'm doing, you know me, I do stuff as it says to do it, so it might seem silly. Well, while you're waiting, just go ahead. It's probably good. I agree, but that's the deal. 2, 1. It's like the next one I'm gonna do takes 7 minutes. 6 or 7 minutes to cook. I totally disagree with that. I think it should be more like 5. And I, in fact, made one of them and only did it for 5 minutes, and it came out so much better, I thought, than doing the full 7. So anyways, here is what we have. Ruthlessly, painfully hot out of the microwave. In fact, maybe it'll cool down a little bit if I put it in this bowl atop Rotato. I'm not really going to do a whole heck of a lot to it. I don't have a lot of wonderful garnish for yellow curry. If I had coriander, I would add some of that, but I don't have any of that on hand. I haven't been really reviewing anything that requires any coriander, i.e. cilantro. Let go. There you go. But yeah, check it out. I mean, it's like a little thing of fried rice, and usually I've found this stuff to be quite good. Doesn't really want to fluff so much, but it's a bowl of seasoned rice, kind of like rice-a-roni or something like that. But it also has noodle in it, like little rice-sized pieces of noodle. It is sweet. It is salty. I don't know. I like it. It fits the bill. I know that's not really what I would normally think would be the perfect accompaniment, but that's what's going on there. A little bit of sesame seed. And oh, it's over there. I'm gonna skip it. But I would normally put on, if I had to put on some kind of crisp, I would use Hybe because it might not be Thai, but at least it's near Thailand, Malaysian. So Rotato, do your thing. I'm gonna prep this. Episode of the show. The next one you're gonna see is this one right here. This is Fly by Jane Chili Crisp Noodle. So that'll be on next. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye bye.